So hello guys and welcome to my channel Diye Craft Vibe. So in today's video you are going to see some beautiful Diye craft ideas that can easily try at home. All these ideas are simple, creative and perfect for home decor. You do not need expensive tools or special skill to make this design. With a little time and creativity, you can turn simple things into something really attractive. This video is made to give you inspiration and fresh ideas for your space. Diye and craft, all about creating something with your own hands. When you make something yourself, it feels more special and personal. These ideas can be used for room decor, wall decor, table decor or even handmade gift. You can change color, size or style according to your choice. These are no rules in Diye, just enjoy the process and let your creativity flow. So if you are visiting on my channel for the first time, please take a moment to support the channel. If you enjoy creative Diye and craft ideas, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and share it with your friend and family. Your support really helps the channel grow and motivate me to bring more beautiful and creative ideas for you. Also let know in the comments which idea you like the most. Now let's focus on the ideas you are watching. Each design you see here is easy to understand and simple to recreate. These crafts are perfect for beginners as well as people who already enjoy Diye work. You can use easily available material like paper, cardboard, fabric, glass, bottles, jars or leftover item from your home. With small changes, the same ideas can look completely new and unique. One of the best things about Diye decor is that it saves money. Instead of buying expensive decor item, you can make something beautiful on your own. Handmade decor also add a warm and personal touch to your home. When guests visit, they always notice this small detail and appreciate the effort behind them. As you watch each photo, try to imagine how you can make it in your own way. Think about the color you like this space, where you want to place it, and the material you already have. Even a small changes can make a big difference. Diye is not about copying exactly. It is about getting inspired and creating something that match your style. These craft ideas are also great for relaxing your mind. Doing Diye work help reduce stress and improve focus. It is a perfect activity for weekend or free time. You can also involve your family member or kids and make it fun activity together. Crafting together creates a beautiful memory along with beautiful decor pieces. So if you are planning to decorate your home for festival, special occasion or daily use, these ideas can help you a lot. Simple Diye decor can completely change the look of your room without spending too much money. Even a small handmade item can make your space look clean, stylish and welcoming. Keep watching till the end of the video for more inspiration. Each ideas so here can be mixed and matched with other design. You can also combine two ideas and create something totally new. That is the beauty of Diye and craft. There are endless possibility and your imagination is the only limit. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy this Diye and craft ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Stay connected for more creative, simple and budget friendly home decor ideas. See you in the next video.